Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a cursor with the camera like here. So you might have seen it in games like Minecraft or something. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. So we're just going to start off with a simple first person setup. And if you don't know how to make it, I actually have a tutorial on it. Okay, so we got the first person setup ready. So you can see here. Yeah. But I'll just do my little trick where I put a box between the camera and the person. So you'll see what I do with that in a second. Just turn off everything but movable. Yeah, now we're at the level of the head, which is better. I'm just make the player invisible because the player is kind of in front of the camera, so you can't see well. Here. Now we got a good first person. We're gonna start off with no, not the world. With the head. So basically you can attach objects to it and then it will be in front, no, it will be connected to your head. So I'm just show you guys here. So yeah, see, you can like, there's a box in front of you. So we're gonna be using that as the cursor. But we have to change the settings first. We make it non-solid because like normally it would like collide with the ground, but now we can like go through it. We're gonna make this bigger. We're not gonna attach the texture of the cursor to this one. This is gonna be a base. We are gonna attach another box with but there's gonna be a free slide connector. Between it. As I said, I'm not very used with mouse, so I'm not very good. Just do the settings here too. Now we're just gonna use a constant node on, and I put a value into the free slide connector. I will show you why we're doing this in a second. Let's just do -1. And I don't think we're gonna keep it this way, but let's just do -1. Oh, wait, I forgot something. Let's do this. Now, as you can see, it's kind of close to our head. That's what we want, because if we use the back one and we look at the ground, then the cursor is just gone. So we're gonna make this we're actually gonna make this more closer, so it doesn't, like, when you look at the ground, it doesn't just go under it. So we're just gonna do more. Tree seems good. Oh, actually maybe we can use that, or maybe a little bit less. 2.5. Yeah, now this is good. Now you can see it's a little bit wobbly. And that's because we have to to put it simply, we just have to make this bigger. Now it shouldn't wobble as much. Yeah. And yeah, if we look down, it just and keep it. Now we're actually gonna draw a texture for it. So yeah. So I'm gonna just fast forward this because texturing with a mouse is really hard. And then we're just gonna make it in the middle. Connect this to the box. Oh yeah, we have to make the boxes invisible so it looks better. Invisible. Sorry. Yeah, now it's a little wobbly, but yeah. So yeah, that was my tutorial. I don't know how to prevent the shadow. If anybody knows how to do it, then comment down below. But yeah, that was the tutorial how to make a not cursor, yeah, camera pointer. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you can, and bye.